Good morning, and this morning is of course our celebration assembly at which we will be handing out some commendations. Indeed, we have celebration assembly this morning and of course prize giving, a special prize giving assembly which will go out on Friday but won't go out until the afternoon at about 2 o'clock. So plenty of opportunity to join in the celebration of each other's success. This morning, therefore, we have commendations for the following. In preschool, Vihan A for making a great start to West House life. Well done, Vihan's not been with us terribly long. Superb start for you, well done indeed. Daniel P for excellent maths work. In reception, Teddy M for consistently working hard and being extremely kind to his friends. And of course, kindness is one of our values which lies at the core of what West House is all about. So very well done to you, Teddy. In year 1, Thomas W for your rainforest poster. Freddie A also for your rainforest poster. Ryan MC, Ryan Mack, like that, for your comic. Rohan K for your storyboard and comic. Arjun C for your rainforest graph. And Max M for your rainforest poster. Very well done to you all. In year 2, Mustafa EH for art. Etan M for art. And Isa A for art. Also commendations in year 2 go to Jacob S for geography and Jefferson M for effort. Year 3, commendations all for rocket making. Ilyas S, Roman D, Mohammed N, Manvir B. Well done to you all. And in year 4 we have commendations for putting in superb levels of effort. Martin J, Musa M, Barry Ali B, Gibran L, Reese I, and Cameron P. Thomas W, you get a commendation for excellent learning behaviour. Thomas T, you get a commendation for exemplary behaviour since returning to school. Owen W, you get a commendation for science, superb knowledge of predators and prey. Akil A for maths and Kyle I for maths. Year 5 commendations go to Arjun S for maths, Laith H for English, and Jensen D for English. And year 6 commendations go to Andrew J for music and drama, Charlie R for drama, Eddie C for DT, wonderful piece of work you did there, Eddie. Daniel Z for a positive attitude and hard work, and commendations for the same go to Ethan C, Art P, Jawad M, Zubin S, and Milo W. We also have some additional commendations this morning for the Big Bug Hunt Science Project, which was overseen by Mr. Lawrence, and of course so many of you did that during the period of lockdown. So commendations for the Big Bug Hunt Science Project go to Haris and Zain D, Ari M, Thomas H, Abdullah A, Taryn E, Thomas B, Akil A, Kai Y, Isaac B, Lalit S, Nikhil S, Yusuf H, Hrithik R, Thomas T, Jorawa P, and Peter H. What a fantastic array of commendations this morning. Very, very well done to you all. I will be back on Friday in the afternoon, 2 o'clock, for prize giving.